There's not a bidet.
It doesn't matter. It wasn't recording. Eat.
I'm not gonna eat for your pleasure. I didn't have dinner. Everyone else had dinner, and I just want.
You didn't have a giant piece of steak?
No.
What was that brown thing I saw on your plate earlier? And a Caesar salad? And maybe a few potatoes?
My plate, right here, get my plate. The little salad, I didn't even finish my little salad.
Yeah. Here are all Richard's plates. There they are, cleaned to the bone. Still eating.
Now you're the biggest pig of all. Doesn't look like you've been counting your points this trip.
Richard.
I still think y'all need to take pictures of each other, taking pictures of each other in the mirror.
Why?
Because I think it would be funny.
How does it be a little war? Drink your wine.
Richard, go do the Tootsie dance over the toilet.
I don't like all the video recording. I like still pictures.
Just go do the Tootsie dance.
Not with all that video recording.
Well, I'll take a picture.
And which ones are these?
I believe they're little roasted potatoes stewed in butter.
Come on, let's watch those.
No, I want you to go do the Tootsie dance. Richard.
I'm gonna do the Tootsie dance.
Oh, I've never seen it.
That was your dance.
This is what Glenn is like when Glenn...
Pretend this is a bidet.
Imagine this is a bidet.
I'll be Glenn.
And Richard's Glenn. And this is what...
A bidet! The Tootsie! Hold on.
Oh.
The Tootsie dance is your chance to do the hump. Do the Humpty Hump!
Sure you did.
You having a little trouble there?
Pig, I'm just trying to get comfortable in this tiny bed.
Bed is huge.
Look at that feast. The Tootsie dance is your chance to do the hump.
I wonder if I can see from over here if I sit in the chair.
Do me, baby.
Do the Tootsie hump.
She's doing the Tootsie dance.
The Tootsie dance.
No, because I'm wiggling on top.
I had a light dinner, unlike some people.
I've been filming them being turbo fat all night.
Oh, they're filming this. Yeah. Dance, dance.
Everybody dance.
Everybody dance now.
Hang on, y'all. Keep dancing. He's gonna see it eventually anyway.
I don't care.
Come on, everybody dance now. Oh, Looney.
Look at the world.
I'm gonna eat something. Calm down. Let's finish this up. Get that out of there.
God, no, he's gonna rain the mini bar.
I'm thirsty. This was some water.
For your throat? Are you sure you don't need some M&Ms for your throat?
My name's out.
Oh, I think I saw some earlier. Did you eat them all?
Guys, why don't you put that camera in the
They're right
mirror?
here.
Why don't you put that camera in the mirror so everyone can see your big fat ass? Let's finish off. Come on. Mmm.
Ooh, that was my camera.
That's Miss Glenn's camera. Miss Cleo.
Catherine, I will not have it. What was you get this one fucking smoking in bed with all the wine next door, that fucking pig? Who were we talking about earlier? Was it some crazy alcoholic?
Go away.
Who were we talking about?
I didn't sleep.
The only crazy alcoholic I know is fucking Granny.
No, who were we talking about? She was always a crazy alcoholic. Somebody's mother.
Lindsay Patterson's mother.
Well, yeah, like Paul Patterson in bed with your ciggies and your fucking booze. I'm just calling you Paula P. Like Paula Poundstone. Paula Poundstone raped and fucked all their little kids.
Who was it that we were talking about earlier who ate themselves to death?
Well, she's still alive, but
I'm gonna start calling.
I resent it.